Alright, it is Friday, August 16th, 2019 at 12:13 p.m. Let's take a look at the weather. Alright, in the Atlantic we have tropical cyclone activity not expected during the next 48 hours. In the eastern North Pacific we have a disturbance 1 with 10% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours below the Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico there. And we have a disturbance 2 a little further out into the Pacific with 10% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. So these are just some small percent chance disturbances. Let's take a look at the Central Pacific. We have no tropical cyclone activity expected during the next 48 hours. Alright, so it's pretty quiet. Let's take a look at the United States right now. There's a lot of rain going on in Florida, and the rain bands kind of extend around South Carolina and North Carolina. Some rain going on in the middle of the country, and some happening across the Great Lakes. Let's take a look at the Gulf of Mexico. These are the storms happening around Florida and around the Louisiana coast there. Alright, let's take a look at the Atlantic wide. There seems to be some rain and storms coming off of Africa, but they do not seem to be growing bigger. They just seem to be traveling along. So that's good. Thankfully, it has been a quiet season. It hasn't been, storm after storm after storm. Alright, let's take a look here at the temperatures in the ocean. Look how warm the Gulf of Mexico and off the coast of South Carolina and Georgia it is. And look around Cuba how hot that is. Let me zoom in so you can see how warm the waters are. That, if any storm got in that, it would just develop into a large storm or a larger storm because the warm waters are basically fuel for hurricanes and storms. Alright, let's take a look at the Saharan dust layer. This is the Saharan dust layer over parts of South America and parts of Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic and parts of the Bahamas. Just traveling across the Atlantic, and some coming off of Africa just over the Atlantic Ocean. Alright, that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe for more. Thankfully, that it has been pretty quiet. It hasn't been, back-to-back storms. And hopefully it stays that way. Alright, guys. See you guys next time. God bless.